Hi my little nation, it's me, Alina Knives, and today I am so very excited because today I am doing a video in collaboration with Iroiro Colors. I think that's how you pronounce it. And it is a vegan and cruelty-free hair dye company, and their Instagram is so amazing. I'll link it down below. And they sent me these for free and to try out for my YouTube channel, which I so appreciate from the bottom of my heart. I got these in the mail about a couple days ago, and I have been dying to try them out. So I've already followed a few steps on here prior to this video just to cut back on some time. These colors that was sent is blue and purple. Number 40 for the blue and 20 for the purple. These are part of their premium hair dye selections. And let me tell you, when I could just choose which colors I wanted, I could not choose. I wanted every color. I wanted to go crazy. I love dyeing my hair. I've been dyeing my hair since I was maybe 16. And it's time for a new color. I've had this for about a year and a half now, maybe going on 2 years. My boyfriend absolutely loves my half and half, but I told him I was doing blue and purple and he near had a heart attack. So yeah, we'll see how this turns out. It has no peroxide, no ammonia, no alcohol, and it's not petrol based, which is really great. And due to these being these little pouch things, it saves about 75% on packaging materials, which is super great, very eco-friendly, and plus super chic and cool. They look really modern. Okay, before we get started, I want to read to you guys the directions. A lot of people skip directions when it comes to hair dyes and then wonder why their hair falls out or it doesn't, turn out the way it's supposed to turn out. Directions are there for a reason, people. So let's follow them. Number 1, shampoo, no conditioner, and dry hair. Done. Apply protective cream to hairline on ears to prevent staining. Okay, so by protective cream, I usually just use petroleum jelly or Vaseline, which I have here. So let's get that done. I'm gonna look crazy, but I'm gonna be looking crazy anyway, so let's continue. Now it says remove the pouch cap. Number 4, wear protective gloves and squeeze desired amount into bowl. Apply color evenly while still wearing protective gloves. And number 6, leave color in hair for 30 minutes or longer for best results. Cover hair with a plastic cap and process heat and blow dry for 15 minutes. And number 7 is just rinse hair in cold water away from face. Now it does have here in a disclaimer that with each time you wash your hair, obviously the color will fade because these are just semi-permanent hair dyes. A really cool thing to mention is that these are actually made with organic coconut oil and natural ingredients. So I'm really excited to see how, this turns out. And it also has quinoa protein, which is really cool. So who's excited? Me. Alright, let's go mix. Okay, in 2 clean mixing bowls, I'm going to do the purple one first. I'm going to remove this cap. And then it says squeeze desired amount into the bowl. I have something black underneath here so it doesn't stain the sink, and I also have something on the floor so it doesn't stain the floor. With the blue. Alright, and we are ready to start. Now, it doesn't say anything about developer or anything, so I assume that it is already in the hair dye. So I'm just actually going to use my fingers. I actually just noticed I have 2 different kinds of gloves on. These are way loose, and this one's suctioned to my hand. So I don't know what color to start with first. I have a big chunk of black hair right here, but when you flip it over, there's some blonde. I don't know if you can see it. So I'm just going to do this too, because I don't want blonde still being in my hair. It's the purpose of dyeing it. And I'm actually thinking of just doing strip by strip. So this part I actually want blue. So we're going to push that back and we're going to dye this part blue. It's happening. Oh. Wow, it's so pretty. I'm just afraid some parts will be a little green because some of my hair is a little bit more yellow than other parts. I haven't bleached my hair prior to this. So, an exciting news, my gloves are rinsed and I got the blue parts. I wanted blue. Now the rest is actually going to be purple. And I'm really excited. I think this color is so beautiful, and I always wanted blue hair. I've had blue and purple hair before, but I don't think it's actually going to turn out as good as it is this time. Now, I cut out a lot because I started doing smaller sections of my hair, which took a very long time, too long for me to upload to YouTube and you guys actually stay interested. So I've been taking about like half of that actually. Been dyeing about this much of hair at a time and just sliding it over and putting it blue. So to demonstrate, I'm going to do it purple. Just, pinch some color and just slide it on to my hair. This color is so beautiful. I'm excited. And I don't get excited over too much in life, but this is exciting. And you also want to make sure you're actually, I don't want to use the term breaking apart your hair, but underneath, make sure you get that too. Because I've totally seen some people, they have the top part of their hair dyed, but it's not the bottom. And working in small sections is actually better because you can see what you're doing. Now that I think about it, this is the first time I'm dyeing my hair while actually seeing what I'm doing. I got contacts, and so before, when I used to dye my hair, pretty much blind. Yeah, so that was pretty terrifying. And since I've actually gotten hair dye all over myself and on my arms, which is okay. It's okay because we're not doing red. And I've had red hair a few times, and every time I do it, I come out looking like Carrie after the prom. Yeah, it's bad. I look like I got slashed up. Like Chucky after he's been put back together. Like, that's how I look. This color is so pretty. I'm gonna be feeling my oats. Like, after this, you can't tell me nothing. This is amazing. Okay, all done with this side of my hair. And so it says for best results to put it in a plastic cap and blow dry it for 15 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do. Change of plans. My hair dryer decided that it's going to die. And I set a timer and we'll pass some time together. I set my timer for like a really random time. I set it for like 42 minutes and like 8 seconds or something. I hope I set it for, I do this all the time. I accidentally set it for 42 hours. Hold on. It's set to 40 minutes and I'm going to look so colorful. Like, look at my arm. I didn't get any on the floor, so that's good. I got a little bit of hair dye on the door. Okay, and so with the toner and a wet wipe, I'm going to fade away Okay guys, it took me about an hour to get everything. We are back. I really like these colors. It looks really dark on camera, but it is also nighttime outside. So I know in the sun and in obviously videos after this, I'll have my new color and you guys will be able to see it more. I have my ring light set on the highest setting right now. The hair dye like really stained my nails though, which I guess isn't terribly bad, you know what I mean? They eventually will come out. It stained the heck out of the bathtub though, and it's my grandparents' bathtub, so I will have to find a way to, you know, remove that if possible, or fade it. But yeah, I actually really love these colors. It is so pretty. Probably from like a quick glance, you probably think my hair looks all black, but in reality, it's, you know, this is the black side, and then this is like the blue and purple side. You can clearly see a difference. But yeah, I really do like it. And tomorrow I have another video coming out. It's going to be a haul from 5 and Below. This is 10. It's going to be a haul from 5 and Below, so stay tuned. And I want to thank you guys so much, especially people at Iroiro Colors, for sending me these. I highly appreciate it, and I absolutely love these new colors. Thank you so much, and I hope to collaborate with you in the future again. Okay, see you guys. Love you.